welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hi, my name is Dana. I upload new videos at least once a week. Usually there's something tea related, but sometimes I change it up a little bit. Today I'm continuing on my streak of reviewing new Tea by Daniel teas that I've never tried before. And the next one I'm going to try is called Almond Cookie Crumble. So I figure I should just get it steeping first so we can give it plenty of time, and then we will look at those ingredients. So let me open it up. Every tea I've opened of theirs, I've been so excited because I feel like I've been waiting so long to dig into these because I wanted to do some really nice reviews for them because they sent me all this tea for free, which is so awesome. So let's get this one steeping. I see nice little slivers of almonds already. Okay, so we've got it steeping. Let's set it to the side and I can read those ingredients. Almond Cookie Crumble is a black tea. So the description says, almond biscotti lovers, get ready. This delicious aromatic blend will have you asking for more and more. A nutty dessert, this tea is the perfect way to start your day. Sip, sip, hooray. And the ingredients are super simple. It's black tea, almonds, and natural roasted almond flavor. So Tea by Daniel sent me a really nice package with all of these teas, and they sent me this adorable thank you note too. And it says, thanks a lot. And they left the sweetest note. It says, thanks so much for taking the time to taste our products and for reviewing them. We're truly grateful as we love your channel. We look forward to building a long-lasting tea-filled adventure with you. Happy sipping, Daniel and Renata from Tea by Daniel. So I love that they have all of these unique blends. Almond Cookie Crumble is something, they could have just called it Almond Black or something boring like that. But to call it a dessert name just makes it so much more exciting. I do love biscotti. I love teas with almond in general. We all know Forever Nuts from David's Tea, but also there was a nut tea that I was obsessed with. It was a mate with nuts in it. It was called Nutty by Nature. That was another David's Tea one. I just loved it. I feel like everything with almonds in it is just so delicious. And this one even has roasted almond flavoring. So it's not just the almonds, it's kind of a nice double duty. This definitely does smell like a biscotti. It's not just it's not a typical almond tea smell. It definitely has the biscotti sort of vibes going on. And the almonds in this are slivered almonds. So it's big pieces of almonds, which is really cool. But other than the almond pieces, it just looks like a plain black tea because that's what it is really. It has the almonds, the black tea, and the toasted almond flavoring. I love Tea by Daniel's, their whole brand is just fun and exciting, a fun and exciting twist on really good tea. This is the fourth one I'm trying now. I have really enjoyed all three so far. This is the most I guess simple of the blends that I've tried so far. Since this one has only 3 ingredients. The last one I tried had turmeric, ginger, black pepper, and then it had a twist of lime on it. So that made it really unique and special. And the ones that I tried before that, one of them had a chocolate covered strawberry kind of vibe. The other one had pieces of nougat in it. It was so, they've all been so different. So I really love that they sent me such an interesting variety of teas to try because it's not okay, so they're mostly this kind of tea. It has been such a roller coaster of exciting teas, and I love it so far. I have 3 more to try after this, so I'm definitely looking forward to 3 more awesome fun teas because at this point I feel like it's a safe bet that I'm gonna enjoy them. I'm gonna go ahead and take out the infuser. Since it's a black tea, I would have felt safe steeping it a little longer, but on the instructions, it says steep 1 to 2 minutes in 100-degree water. So I do notice that they are very conservative about their steep times and temperatures. So there's not much interesting stuff to look at with this loose, with the steeped tea. All you can really see is it's black tea leaves and there is a slice of almond in there. So as far as the smell, I do definitely smell the black tea now that the tea is actually steeped. Which, I mean, black tea is not like historically my favorite. I'm just not as into it. Like I definitely prefer the taste of a green tea or an oolong, but I find that like black teas make really good bases for like dessert teas and like fun teas like that. The other black tea I tried from Tea by Daniel, I really did like, and it was like a twist on a chocolate covered strawberry, and it was so good. And the black tea definitely wasn't overpowering because there were so many other special ingredients going on. This one has definitely less ingredients than that. My prediction is that I'll mostly be tasting the black tea, but I'm really hoping that I'll get a nice kick of the almond flavor because that's the part I'm most looking forward to. All right, let's go ahead and try it. So it's definitely mostly black tea flavor. It's a good black tea. I'm tasting a little bit of almond. It's light. So I would say that this is an awesome tea for somebody who does really enjoy a straight black tea and wants to kind of start to branch out and try different flavored teas, but nothing too extreme. I do get a little bit of sweetness from the almond though, and the black tea is not like a super astringent, like acidic flavored black tea. It's definitely nice and smooth. So on the spectrum of black teas, I do like this one more than different ones. Another thing I would try probably is, first of all, as a latte, you can't go wrong if you added like a little bit of agave or like used almond milk to really amp up that almond aspect. But also, I think it would make kind of a cool iced tea. I know it's kind of weird because it's not like the typical, it's not like fruity or anything like that. But if you like black iced teas, like just a regular iced tea, I think the almond could be an interesting addition. So I think this actually could make an interesting iced tea. So as far as if this would be something I would buy again, I would probably say no, but that is just personal preference. It's very simple ingredients with the focus really on the black tea. So that would be why I wouldn't personally buy it again, just because I'm not a fan of black tea. I do love that Tea by Daniel sent me so much variety of tea so I could try all different ones that I wouldn't probably normally have even tried. I'm lucky that I get the opportunity to try these like without having to like have chosen them myself, because I get to try things that I wouldn't have thought to try. So I'm really grateful for that. I'm gonna drink a black tea. I think I'd want something more flavored just because I don't love the taste of a black tea on its own. Like I would never drink a straight black tea. If I was drinking something black, I would go for something pretty heavily flavored, like a chai, or like something that has an element or a flavor that is stronger than the tea flavor. So with this, if you like black tea, you're probably gonna love this because it's an awesome black tea with like a teensy bit of a twist. All right guys, I hope you are having a beautiful day and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.